To how to remove friends in Snapchat. So in this video we are going to show you how to remove friends in Snapchat. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. So first of all, you will open up your Snapchat, and then what you're gonna have to do, you will go into your profile at the top left corner. Okay, so you will go here, and then this is your Snapchat profile, and then you will scroll down until you see here this option where it says my friends. Okay, so then you will simply click on this one where it says my friends, and it will show you the list of all of your Snapchat friends. And now if you want to remove any friend, you just simply press and hold on that friend. So let's suppose I wanted to remove this friend, so I will just simply press and hold, and then you can see bunch of different options here, and then you can simply click on manage friendship. Click on manage friendship, and then here the third option is remove friend. So if you will click on this option, this friend will be removed from your Snapchat. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.